Hi guys, I hope you're doing fine because I am doing fine too. I am Maggie Eckhoff and you're very much welcome to my YouTube channel. In my channel, I give tips about life and those tips can inspire you, motivate you or encourage you. I also talk about lifestyle in Germany and also in Kenya. You know why? Because I'm a Kenyan and I'm living here in Germany. So guys, and by the way, if you are new here, woye, karibu, mwah, you're very much welcome. If you are the old one, mwah, karibu sana, you're very much welcome back. So guys, let me say this. Today I will talk about 5 ways Germany is better than in Kenya. Let me try to let you know what is this Germany. If you watched the last video, the last 2 videos of me, I talked much about abroad lifestyle. There is a video I talked about the bitter truth about abroad life, and I talked about good things and bad things. And if you haven't watched it, you better go and watch it because it's an amazing video. And now you'll know why I'm coming to talk about this video now. This video, I will not talk about negative and positive things about Germany. I'm only talking about the best things, the 5 ways best thing why Germany, I call it, I can say it's better than in Kenya. By the way, I'm not trying to let my Kenya down. You know what I mean. So Kenya is Kenya and it's home. So guys, let me start with this. Let me say this. Number 1 that makes Germany better than in Kenya is machines. Oh, here, by the way, there are a lot of machines to work there. You can buy any kind of machine you feel like. Machines make sometimes work easier. Like you remember the video I did, I said we don't have house girls and all this, but we have things like vacuum cleaners in the home. They make the works easier. When you vacuum clean your house is easier than when you sweep. When you're in the kitchen, you can use small machines that can make your work easier. Or when you are cutting the grasses, sometimes you can put a robot machine to cut the grasses for you. By the way, another thing is very funny is when you are yeah, I hope the camera is fine because I keep on adjusting it all the time. And when you see, like in Kenya, when they're building a house, you will know automatically they're building a house because you will see like 50 people there. Here, you'll be shocked to see when the house is built, you will only see 3 people and machines around. So that makes the work easier. You don't see people carrying stones with hands and, you know, building the house with stones, putting the house like in Kenya. Here they use machines, so that makes lives easier. Another thing is, I would say they are attending, so I'll go faster. Another thing is universities here are free. So it's not like in Kenya where you are like, gosh, university people, my child is joining university, so we need this Harabe. Here, universities are free. The child can go to the university and learn free. The only thing you are supposed to do is to pay for the apartment or hostels and the food, and then to pay for the electricity, you know, heaters, things like that, pocket money. But school, you don't pay. They are free. Another thing is, which I love, you can imagine here in Germany, internet is everywhere. We have internet everywhere. It's not like in Kenya, Jehovah, where we don't have internet everywhere. Here, I don't know which corner we don't have internet. By the way, you can even, it happens nowadays in Kenya, but here, for example, sometimes when I go to the supermarket and I want to buy something, and I want to Google something, sometimes I off my mobile internet and then I enter the supermarket internet, and then you know, it is faster there because you are inside the supermarket or in a mall. You just have to put the Wi-Fi on and then it start working. Here the internet is everywhere. You know, when internet is there, things are easier because any information you need, you know, you can ask Mr. Google. You know what I mean? So that makes things easier here. So you can imagine how we are lucky to have. It does not matter whether you're in the village or in the city. Not like in Kenya, where in Nairobi there is internet, in the village there is nothing like that because there is no electricity. No, here, whether in the village or in the city, internets are available everywhere. Another thing that makes Germany better than in Kenya is here the water is available. By the way, water, we don't lack water. You know, I know Kenya, the way sometimes, I remember when I was a child, we could go far away with donkeys to go and get water. We didn't have water, by the way. So you can go far away to go. Here, there is nothing like that. The water is there. In the house, every house, there is water. So you cannot even go to your neighbor to ask for water because you have water, and that's everywhere in Germany. That makes life better here. Another thing is, I love German roads. Wow, German roads are just vroom, vroom. You know what I mean? It's just it's not like you know, everywhere is like Thika Road. Let me say this. You know, in Kenya, by the way, the funny thing is, when you are in Thika Road, like now they have built our Thika Road. We know those people who have built our Thika Road. Yeah? So when you are there, everybody is saying, wow, it's amazing. Everybody's like, wow. You know why they say wow? Because they know there are places where it is, oh, shade, you know, in the village places where you just drive your car like this. They know. But here, it is, we don't say wow. Otherwise, you will say everywhere, wow, 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 the village road, wow. No, because everywhere is the same. We just enjoy driving. You just take your car and take that drive and drive anywhere you want. The roads are good. And yeah, that makes Germany life easier. And that makes Germany better. Another thing is, I love this, and I love it with all my heart, that everybody here is equal. They have developed this social system where if you're not working, you get helped. If you are working and you are paying, you are paid very less money. The government can add a little bit money for you. If you know, it's not that if you're not working, you are now down. You cannot eat or something like that. No, you can even live in a very nice house or apartment and you're not working. They will help you to pay. Okay, let me say apartment. They will pay for you. They will pay for you some rooms for the kids. You know, it makes the life easier. So here they try to equalize everybody. Everybody is equal. And this social system they have, it's so unique, and it helps so many people to, you know, to move on with their life, and that makes so unique and nice. Another thing is, yeah, like I have said, you can give money. They give money to people who are not working, but it's kind of the same, because if you're not working, you can get money. If you're working and you are paid less, they top up a little bit. So that makes life so easier. Another thing is, you can never be homeless unless you really want to be homeless. Let me say this, and I'm sorry to say this. You know, in Kenya, we have this chokora. Allow me to say chokora because that's how we call them. This chokora, they don't have home. They are just on the street. They are just begging food. They are begging money because they don't have home. Here, there are some chokora also, by the way, we call them pena. But they are very few. They are very few, but they like to hide themselves in the bus stations or in the train stations, especially train stations. And they are homeless because they are willing to be homeless. It's not that they cannot go and have home. Maybe some are into drugs. That's why the drugs tell them come and stay here on the train station. It is not that they don't have home, because the government can help them to have their own home. It's just because they are willing, or some others are into drugs. That's why you see them just there on the street, and you just see them. And by the way, even if they're on the street, you'll be shocked to hear that there are people who will be visiting them there and giving them food, and they give them blankets. It's not that they are suffering. Actually, they are there, but it's kind of they are willing to be there. So in Kenya, we know how many people are homeless. Some, they are willing to have homes and they cannot. But that makes Germany better because they can offer homes to these people. It's only that they are not willing to stay in homes. So that is it. Another thing is, there is a place, by the way, this is very interesting. There is a place in Germany where you can go and take food for free. Food to cook, like potatoes, rice, vegetables, fruits. I'm telling you the truth. You can go and take the place there, the place to eat. Mostly it happens when you have less money, because sometimes, if I'm not wrong, they control who is taking the food there. Maybe you need some kind of a card, but you can imagine you can go and take food there for free. They give you onions, they give you things to cook, you know, they give you food. I would love to know which place they do that in Kenya. A place where you just can go and take food for free if you are not capable of. I would love to know that, because I don't know. So far, I've lived in Kenya all those years. I haven't found one. But here they offer food to people, and that makes life easier because you don't have to go and look for food. You don't have to go to sleep hungry unless you want to sleep hungry, because there is those places you can go get food and you can go home and cook. So that makes it so sweet. That makes Germany so better. so far much better because they cater for their people. They try their best to make sure that everybody has food and drinks as well. Yeah, are we together? Okay, now another one is, I love this one, and I think it's the last one, is where everybody here is important. Here there is no, I don't know if I'm wrong, please correct me, because those people who are in Germany, they watch my videos as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. We don't have this rich priority. You know, I'm sorry to say that. In Kenya, when you have that much money, you can buy everything apart from life. You cannot buy life, but you can buy a lot of stuff. But here, I haven't seen where they put rich as priority, where they say, because you are rich, you can get this. And because you are poor, you cannot get this. So they equalize everybody. They try to make everything equal. And I think that is so good because they don't look at your pocket. They just give you the service you need. They don't look at your status, that you are like this and that, or they just give you the service that you deserve. For example, let me give you an example. We have hospitals here. And if you are going to give birth here, you can go to any hospital because there is no rich or poor hospital. And that is what I'm trying to say. They try to, there is no this priority because you are this, you can have this. No, they make everything equal. They make everything fine and they make everything the same. And that's make Germany lifestyle far much better than in Kenya. If I'm wrong, try to prove me wrong. But let me tell you one thing. Any point that I have said, it is true and it is the way it is. Trust me, it is the way it is. And you may wonder why we keep on complaining as diasporas. Oh, sometimes it's cold, it's winter, it's snowing, I miss home, sweet home. You know you know us with that language, we keep on saying, I miss home. Yes, we do miss. But you may wonder, why do these people always say they miss home, but they still want to stay there? Yeah, you know now the reason why. Because these things I have said, they are so important to us, by the way. This is life, they are so important, and you feel like, oh, if you go somewhere and you are missing these stuff, you are like, gosh, you are no more complete. You know what I mean? So guys, those are some ways that makes Germany better than in Kenya. What do you think? Can you try to compare that? Can you tell me what you may think that Kenya is better? Because if you start saying that Kenya is better, start please with the sun, because here we are lacking a lot of sun. But I think I have said things that I know, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you better do that, because I normally have good and amazing content. And by the way, when you come to my channel, you're gonna smile because I bring this positive energy here. I don't know what is negative energy anyway. That one I never spread even a day. So you come here, you enjoy, you learn something, and yeah, I hope you're gonna subscribe to this channel. Let us grow, let us hit to that 1K, and I hope that you are enjoying this video as well, because it's not only to subscribe but to come and enjoy. Because I want you to come in my channel and have a good, learn something, and I say, oh, okay, so it's like this, I didn't know, you know, something, to learn something. I wish when I was in Kenya I could have had somebody who is telling me about Germany. I would be happy to know which country I'm going. I would have gotten so many information, but anyway, now let me give what I did not get. That's my work. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for keeping on watching and watching. God bless you so much. And if you subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get to be notified. Take care, and I love you so much. And like I always say, God bless you. Bye bye.